Hi, 8th graders. I miss seeing your faces in class and in the hallways. I'm going to talk to you about what your day will look like and show you where the materials will be found in your class Schoology page. At the top of your class Schoology page, you will see a banner that looks like this. There are links here to everything that you will need and use each day. Let's take a look at each of these. The very first place that you're going to click is here on this week's learning agenda on the upper left-hand side. When you click on this right here, it will open you up to the agenda for the day. This is the first place that you're going to start each day. Links are provided here to daily activities. If not linked, the activities will be found on your class Schoology page. Let's look at this week's agenda. This week's agenda has 3 parts to it. You will start right here watching your Ed Puzzle video. If there isn't a link here to your video, you can go back to your class Schoology page and there is a section that's marked instructional videos. All the videos will be housed there. The second thing you're going to work on is a choice board. You can click right here to get the direct link to the choice board, or again, you can go back to your class Schoology page and this will take you there also. The choice board is made up of many different activities. Some of these will take only about 15 minutes. Some can be ongoing and could take you actually weeks. We'd like you to take some time and look through all the different activities and pick out something that you are interested in. If you go back to your class Schoology page and you click on this link right here, it will take you to an actual page that describes all the different activities in detail and also provides for you ways in which you can submit your assignment. The link at the top takes you to the actual choice board. Again, if you go back to the daily agenda, at the bottom you will see that you need to complete a daily record form. That's the last thing we would like you to do each day. You can click right here to take you directly to the daily record form, or you can go to your class Schoology page and again at the top in this banner you will see a link to it. This should only take you about 30 seconds. It's very short. Please complete this and submit this each day to let us know what you are working on and also to ask any questions. In the second row of our banner right here at the top, the first thing you'll see on the left-hand side is a link to our Zoom office hours. We will be hosting office hours every Monday from 2 to 4. You can click on the link here and join at any time from 2 to 4. We'd love to hear from you to chat and answer any questions or concerns you may have. If these hours don't work for you, just let your teacher know. We will be glad to provide alternate times to meet. Message us in Schoology with any concerns that you have. There's another spot right here where we may record some messages to you. See right here where it says video messages. Check here often to hear some messages from us. And again, there's the link to instructional videos that you will need to watch. Below these banners here are all the folders to items that I just discussed. One that you want to pay attention to is the weekly learning agendas. If by chance you didn't get a chance to accomplish all the things on a weekly agenda, you could open up this folder and past agendas will be stored here. So that is how Schoology will be set up and how to access all information. Remember, the goal is to spend about 30 to 40 minutes each day on math activities. So if you are in the daily agenda and you spend about 15 minutes on the Ed Puzzle video, the remainder of your time each day should be spent on your choice board. If you want to do that all in one chunk and spend 45 minutes to an hour a day in one time, then you could go ahead and do that, and then you wouldn't have to do it for the rest of the week. The goal is 30 to 40 minutes per day. Please reach out to your teacher if you have any questions. Take care and stay healthy.